I had been having a lot of problems with my back. It wasn't bothering me all the time, but whenever I would aggravate it, I was feeling pain and discomfort down through the sciatic nerve and down the back of my right leg. And it was getting to happen more and more and getting to really be a problem. I also had had a terrible problem with tennis elbow in the past, or golfer's elbow, where you hit down on the ball, and it was so painful that I couldn't pick up a remote control for a TV and click it with my finger without it just hurting a lot. And then finally I had plantar fasciitis in both heels. That's where the tendons get inflamed in your heels. And that had gotten to be a real problem that I had to have tennis shoes or wear socks all the time. And once I found out about Dr. Williams and Precision Imaging, I approached them about the possibility of getting a stem cell injection because I'd been told by some friends that were in the know that this could, tremendously help me. And I did, in fact, approach them, and they did agree to do the stem cell procedures on me. And they, in fact, did that on a Friday. And I went in and they did the injections in all those spots that I talked about. The elbow, the tennis elbow, right from the start, just was way better. It's appreciably better, and it's never really been a problem since. I'll occasionally get a twinge in it, but I would say I'm probably 80 to 90% healed in the elbow, and I've played golf many times since and have had no problems. The plantar fasciitis took a little bit longer, I guess because it was so acute, and I didn't really feel much improvement initially, but as we've gotten past the first month and we've gone out further in time, I've noticed that I'm not having the extent of the problems with the plantar fasciitis that I did before. It has not totally cured it, but has tremendously helped it. Now the back is the one area that was the most difficult area, because obviously if you've got a disc that's herniated and it's right there near the spine and the nervous system, what initially happened was when they did the injections, it caused some swelling, which caused me a lot of discomfort to begin with, but within a matter of 2 or 3 days it started getting way better. And then it took me about 4 weeks to get to the point where I could go back swinging the golf club. But according to Dr. Williams, when I've he told me he looked at it on the CT scanner and the MRIs, that it has done a great job of regenerating itself, and that problem has essentially gone away. Not 100%, but essentially gone away. So I would say that it's all been a great success for me. Yeah, I would recommend it to anybody that's got a similar problem like I have, and based on my experience and what I know from some other friends that have done it, it's tremendous in joints and muscular, as well as in what I had, especially in my back. So it's been a great success. I would highly recommend it.